I said that, yeah.
So
well, that was my intention.
Hypocrite?
Well, I think you're entitled to change your mind. I mean, the problem I think sometimes with politics, and also, if you don't mind me saying so, media analysis of politics, is that if a politician changes his or her mind, or it's viewed as being weak, flip-flopper, hypocrite or whatever. I didn't like the idea of kicking around the shan for 5 years, but then he just asked me about decriminalization. Who's going to push that agenda? Who's going to make sure that we ratified the UN Convention for Rights of People with Disabilities? Who's going to push on the direct provision agenda? Who's going to push on the repeal of the age amendment agenda? Who's going to push on the traveller ethnicity agenda? I can just leave that to other people, or I can say, well, actually, maybe I have a role to play here. And also, if I'm perfectly honest about it, the fact that the Labour Party are in such a difficult space, I feel if I was to walk away now, then I would be maybe not being as beneficial to the party as I might be. Right. And I think, not being arrogant about it, but I think I do have a role to play in rebuilding the party.